In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the always-on display on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So unlock your phone and go to Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down to Wallpapers and Personalization. Tap on that, and here, once you scroll down, you should see the always-on display option. Tap on that. And at the top here, you should see the always-on display toggle. So to turn it on, simply tap on that to turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, simply tap on that to turn it off. Now, if you want to turn it on, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can choose continuation, which will be a mirroring of your lock screen clock or whatever you have set on the lock screen. Or you can select system to have an AOD of your own, or create a custom AOD. And down here also you have a couple of options to choose from personal customization. You can customize these for yourself: cute pets, digital clocks, analog clocks, and trending options right there. But if you find an option that you're comfortable with, for me, I'll leave it at continuation, then you can choose that. And now when you lock your screen, you should see that you have now an always-on display. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.